this off of there, you know, that big chunk of love. These, and then we are going to clean them, salt and pepper them, and put some oil on them, and pop them in the oven. Then I'll fry up my bacon. And then you want to pat them off real good, get that excess water off of them. Actually, I'll flip it over. I'll put on a couple paper towels. Kind of catch the moisture. And we're going to use some avocado oil and season it. Really good. So, whatever. That's good enough. So we're going to add some avocado oil, olive oil if you want. It's up to you. I don't measure. Pepper them. Oh, you could add a little onion or garlic powder. Cayenne if you like it spicy, like me. I mean, like I like spice. I'm spicy too, though, you know. We shall mix it up. Mix it good, and then just put it on the pan. Put it on the pan. And we're gonna pop it into the oven. While we're doing that, I'm gonna fry up some bacon. So I will show you what it looks like. I hope that you can see that. Okay, so my oven is beeping. It's wanting me to take out the Brussels sprouts, and that's what I'm going to do. I got everything laid out, and after we top it with the toppings, we are going to put it back into the oven. So, pardon. Oh, they're looking good. They're pretty good looking there. I'm just going to put it down here. And there we are. So what I'm going to do is top it with some cheese and the bacon. And we will do that very generously because, you know, why not? Why not? Top it and top it with cheese. Cheese is wonderful. And then I just did bacon and I just did it in chunks. Because it's better that way, I think. So there we go. And we'll put it back into the oven until it's all nice and melty. So here we go. Here's a look at it before it goes. All right, my loves, I am about to take our delicious Brussels sprouts from the oven. They look all melty and cheesy, just like I want them to be. We don't want them to dry out. Here we are. You can still hear it sizzling. And we're going to just let this puppy just chill for a little bit. Just let it cool down. You don't want to burn your mouth. It's a good mouth feeling. My mouth is watering right now talking about it. So if you want something easy, breezy, delicious, nutritious, try this. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, if you've tried it. Tell me what you would change about it. Give me some feedback. Leave me a message in the comment section. I'm gonna do more cooking as the Creole lady, because you know, oh my God, you guys, this is beautiful. I plated it just to put it on a serving dish and show you what this is about. I wish you could smell it, but most of all, I wish you could taste it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of a sample. My husband's not home. I just kind of filmed this while he wasn't here. Ooh, look at the cheese, baby. On a cute little plate like this. And we are going to sample this. I like a lot of sour cream. It's good for you. Probably not. I don't know. Who knows? Tastes good. Makes me happy. I'll try it out for you. Bon appetit. I get a little bacon. Yum. Mon chéri. That good. It's so good. Thank you, Noland and Taylor, for showing me this. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. Stay sassy and classy and forever young. Live your best life.